Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you are fine during the pandemic COVID-19. My name is Iswahyudi Damanto and a college student of the State Polytechnic of Banjarmasin, majoring at Electronic Engineering. I'd like to share with you information about digital multimeter and how to measure DC voltage with a digital multimeter. So check it out.
Do you know digital multimeter? Digital multimeter is a useful instrument for measuring voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and other parameters. The also have numeric display and show a graphical bar representing the measured value. How to measure DC voltage with a digital multimeter? First, insert the black probe into the COM jack and the red probe into the V jack. Then, turn the selector dial on multimeter to the DC voltage symbol. Connect the test probe to the circuit, black to the negative polarity or ground circuit, and red to positive polarity. Finally, the measurement results can be seen on the display screen. If the value is negative, maybe you reverse when connecting the probe to the circuit. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.